All right, so the G8 is now on its way to its new temporary home. Me and Dave have had a fucking hell of a day, and Papa Pat came to help us with this. But
it's like hours since that last video.
dude, it's probably been 4 hours. But yeah, the G8's going to a temporary home so I can finish the garage, and so this place can get sold. But yeah, she's looking orangey again. This sunlight, this summertime sunlight hits it good though, son. So this is where the G8 got brought. It's in a storage unit, but the G8 is here. It is just here until the new shop gets built, because the got to sell or finish everything with selling my place, and my toolbox is coming here, everything's coming here, so I might or might not work out of this. I don't know yet. It depends on how things go. But the G8 and some of the stuff in the garage is in here. My stoplight's in here, but I told you Doom Garage moved, and now we are moved into a storage unit. But we hit 800 subs. So that's pretty hype. And the car has a motor in it for right now until we pull it out, because the trans is being a little bad word. Look at Pat's old Speed 3 though. So what the agenda is today is to pull the motor out, put the trans on it, put it back in. So let's try to not break anything else. All right, so cars is back outside. When you don't have a spot to really work on shit, you buy a storage unit, or you pay for a storage unit. But plan is to keep rolling it back forward, so be easier to get the motor out. Then we'll push it back in once that and the motor's together. Heads not on here because I thought it'd be a good idea to leave the heads off while I was in the trans, but I ended up couldn't do the trans because of the triple disc clutch is kind of annoying. But I'll show you that in a minute. But Doom Garage is now in a storage unit, so this is pretty freaking lit. And look at old Wilbur. Wilbur's such a good dude. So this is not ideal by any means. Tried to get the motor and trans together, but they won't go together, so I'm gonna take the clutch off and see what the deal is. So I took the clutch off, and trans bolts to the motor, not bolts, but bolts, it goes on there, so it's not a input shaft to pilot bearing issue, it's a clutch alignment issue. So we're gonna pull this thing back off. And not ideal not ideal conditions. Poor car. All right, so Dave came and we got the car pushed in. I really wish I didn't own two toolboxes now, but this is going in. What?
The Macro 2.
That's my OG box.
Oh. I'm wearing my Walmart Fast and Furious shirt.
Are you?
Yeah.
You proud of it?
Yeah, my niece bought this for me.
Aw.
my God.
It's only because the camera is on. Just hold on a second.
Bro, I can't breathe.
Watch out, asshole.
I'm gonna get you back.
So motor and trans are now in.
Kinda.
You're not funny. But now I can start fabbing up the cross member, fixing stuff that broke. I will explain, like my motor mounts that are broken right now. So yeah, it's just sitting in here right now, but on broken motor mounts. But it feels good. Shout out to my boys.
I did nothing.
And he never does anything. He just used me for Doom Garage. He was the last. Remember his E46 build that he pestered me about? Yeah, that happened. But
You got on your knees and begged me to come.
whatever, dude. Don't flatter yourself. Anyway, motor's in, training's in, clutch is on. I hate triple disc. Next is just the rest of the build. So I don't know if I'm gonna end it on this video, make this a whole video on itself, or what else is gonna happen. But this is where we're leaving off tonight.
Is he in there?
No. I might send it on YouTube. All right, well, this is it. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.